across the camera quick.
Yeah, that's fine. I got some peas. Another clean up. And all three.
Oh goodness, what is going on here with your big old bed here? What do you think? What do you think? You girls look like ladies of leisure. My goodness.
Hi guys. Oh, sorry, B-Man. Hi guys. I'm gonna make this a really quick thing. In truth, because I just would like to get this over with. So I'm gonna make this real quick. I do have some sad news. Hi. We did just lose another one of Tigress's babies. So it was so fast. And it was just really, really, really sudden. And I just wanted to tell you guys real quick and get it done and over with like a Band-Aid. It is just, it was so fast, you know. I did actually, you know, I reached out to Jackie because I'm sad. And I'm like, why is this happening? What is going on? And she sent me a really great article, and I'll read parts of it for you. I won't read the whole thing. But it's a very interesting article about what's called fading kitten syndrome, which it appears this is what happened. This the baby that passed was baby number 2, who I named Sweet Pea. So it was very quick, and so we believe it passed from something called fading kitten syndrome. This is actually apparently very common if you've had much experience with this with kittens. A staggering proportion of kittens succumb to fading kitten syndrome before they reach 9 weeks of age. 15% to 27% die before the age of 9 weeks, even in well-managed catteries. And it goes over some of the symptoms and things that can present itself. In like this instance today for Sweet Pea, and this really struck me because Sweet Pea was fine. Sometimes the symptoms show up so fast that it's hard to treat. And I think that was what was staggering with it today, because it was so fast. I just can't, there was no inclination that there was anything wrong. It can be multiple causes. Birth defects are actually a relatively uncommon cause for this. A lot of other things can play into this. Lack of maternal antibodies, a bacterial or viral infection, parasites, malformations, trauma, trouble during birthing. So apparently there's a lot of things that can contribute to this. So, darn it. It's very sad. And I never want to do this again. So I'm sorry for the bad news, guys. I guess so, Dwitty. It seems like a failure to thrive. This one seems This one seems a little bit different. Failure to thrive seems like they don't want to thrive. This one, this fated kitten syndrome, seems like there was something wrong. So you're right, Nancy said this is life sometimes, and it is. And, you know, I'm just, it says a lot of times they can, they start getting out of the danger zone a little bit more around the 4 to 5 weeks. So if we could just make it one more week. So I'm sorry for the bad news. And I have to go to work. So, well, I love Sweet Pea and Baby very, very much. And, and poor Lynette has been dealing with, Tigress. This isn't funny, but it's kind of funny, but Tigress is actually taking it okay. She knew that there was an issue, and, I showed her the baby, and after a little bit, then she went back to playing with her yellow banana, so, I do know about the blood type thing. Thank you, Madison. Yeah. I do know that that wasn't the case in this situation, so that's good in the regards for that. So, yeah. So, gosh. Sorry for the bad news. I actually told Lynette, I was like, you know, we always have to follow bad news up with some good news. So I said, give me some good news, and I'm just not feeling any good news right now. They were loved. Yeah, for sure. So, Lynette, good news?
Good news.
We will.
Megan does a wonderful job. This was nothing that she done wrong. She knows that. She did talk to the vet, Terry. The vet says it happens. You know, there's nothing that we could have done, didn't do, should have done. It just happens. It's
basically, you know, kind of the same as that fading kitten syndrome said, where it's a whole,
it is hard.
mm-hmm. So
It's definitely not the favorite part of the job.
it is not. I could definitely do without this business. So, sorry for the tears. I actually thought I was like, I'm going to get it all out of my system before I come up here, so then I'll be in perfect situation to come up here, and that was not the case. So, there was that. I appreciate you guys. I will let you go and get back to your day. I'm, you know, a patch will come along. You're right, Kathleen, it will. So, all right. Well, we are going to get back to it, and there you go. So, thank you guys. We will see you in a little bit. So, all right, off to work. Ugh. Willow. Hey, where's my aunt? Or Egypt? Where's Egypt?
Egypt?
Is he?
You should have seen the way he was laying on the window.